Hello and welcome back to our series of window Tkinter. We have previously made this label and button. Now I want to make a complete form in this series. If we have not finished this form in this series, we will try to finish in next series. Let's make entry box. Name entry is equal to, I will explain this very briefly so that you would get each and every concept of this, so that the basic concept of this Tkinter would be clear and you can do many things. The basic is the basement of everything, so you have to clear the basic and you can do many things in advance yourself if you know the basic. This is entry, simply entry, and we have to pass window to make it grid, and here we have to pass some variable that store the entry of anything we enter there. I will make it is name variable where is equal to, this will be string where, this is a string where and this is string where, and we have pass text variable is equal to and this variable means this text variable will access here, and we will give void here, or we will not give void here. Now we will give next time. Let's grid it. Name entry dot grid is equal to, it is row 1, we have to grid with the same this, and column is equal to 2 is equal to 1. Let's make here, let's save and run it and see what we are getting here. Sorry, it is saying me string var, it is, sorry, this is small a, this is a silly mistake, every time I have made it. Yes, it is giving me a text box here, and this is button. I will change the height of button to simply 2, and let's make name entry, email entry L is equal to, we will make label window comma txt text is equal to email, and sorry, I have not closed that bracket, email, and I have to grid it. Email label is dot grid, you have to grid row 2, this is row 2. I will change this later, remove this for now. Row is equal to 2 and column is equal to 0. Now we are making this dull here, a dull form, and we will modify. How much we can modify it? We can modify very deeply, but you can modify by yourself. I will make the concept of modifying this windows. Let's say what we have to make. Email entry is equal to entry, and this is a window, and we have to pass some variable here. Email variable is equal to This is also a string type email variable, and text variable will be here. This would be email variable here, email underscore var, and let's make only this and grade it, mail entry dot grade, sorry, grade, row is equal to 2 and column is equal to 1. As I have already explained why we use two string variables, so that what we enter in this text box would be occupied by some variable, and we will pass this variable while we reading that text that we enter in text box. Now I want to make something else. Have to make something else. What I have to make? I will enter password. This is not of password type, it will be simple text type. Password level is equal to string var, and email, sorry, PSSW or the password level is equal to, sorry, this is not a password, this is we should make this password where this will be after this level. You can declare there, but we will declare here, control V, level, this may be level, and window, pass the window, and we will pass here text is equal to, make it this, what I want to make this password, sorry, password, and I will make email also as dash, and I will make password level dot, we have to grade this, and I will make this row is equal to 2, 3, and column is equal to 0. We have already defined this here, and I will make password underscore entry is equal to entry, and here pass window, and we have to pass text variable is equal to password text var, let's grade it, score entry dot grade, this have to be row 3, and column we have to have 1. Let's save, and we will see how much space it will give us more in our form. As it is giving us this space, we will make this box more heighty. This is because this text is taking same place, we will pad here, and we will in next lecture we will make a space between these two button, and we will make a space from this right position and left position, and this we will make a space here, and we will make button here, and we will create one text area here in next video. I am making this in the slow process so that you would get this process easily. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next movie. Thank you.